Hello guys, welcome back to my next video, and today I'm just going to show you, I've brought my camper conversion to work, and well, it's not my conversion, it's sort of halfway through. So I'm just going to show you it, what it looks like and what's been done so far. There's not much that's been done to it, but yeah, this is the one. This is 13 plate Sprinter. So far I've done the windows, take you inside it. Yeah, so we've got one seat at the minute, and what we've done is just completely stripped out and whatnot. We've got this window which opens up. We went for the double window, this one here, this for the side door. Flooring, we've done the flooring with an inch thick hardboard. It's all insulated under there now, so that's done. We started doing a bit of soundproofing, but that's sort of as far as we've got really. We've got some welding to do, you see, and tidying up to do loads of body work, so that's the main thing. We bought this van really cheap, no MOT. It's been a bit trashed in its lifetime, so completely doing it up to make a profit on it, not to necessarily keep it. We're going to sell it on. Yeah, so it's me and my friend doing it. We're going halves on it, but yeah, this is it. Yeah, so this one is long wheelbase Sprinter. It's going to have obviously the kitchen, the shower unit here, the double bed at the back, and then a little sort of storage garage bit under the bed, because the bed goes sort of like this level. Shower's going to be going here, along with some seating here, and toilet and shower all in one. And then this side we're going to have up to nearly just past the doorway, the kitchen area, storage, and then the fridge under there and whatnot. So I'll probably video this whole build. It'll take us into next year because it's sort of just a on the side thing, but yeah, quite excited to do this one. I've never done one before, always wanted to do one, but yeah, now I am. I'm getting on with it. So that's my camper conversion. Busy day today. Got issues on this Ford Ranger. ABS pumps off that one now. That's getting sent off to be refurbished. We're now doing the ramp here for a service. Straight in the oil in a minute. Also got Corsa here for service and engine light. We've got a Merc E-Class out the front for potential wheel bearings. Are covered by AA. I've not even looked at it yet, but AA man says he reckons the wheel bearings hanging off, ABS lights on, and the wheels wobbling like crazy. So she got towed back here. Got a Peugeot in for a few little niggly bits. KA for a blocked catalytic converter, I believe. I'll put a picture in between this video of this KA right now. I've never personally seen it, but it was really bad. The exhaust getting red hot at standstill, not even driving it. It's misfiring really badly. So that's that. Yesterday we got a load of reception done. So up here, it's been still not done up there. So this side's been boarded now. This side's been boarded and painted up to the yellow line. It's all insulated inside. I've still got a door to go on here. Got to put a proper door on, proper door out the front, door system, as in like full glass system. So I've got my coffee machine in cabinet. I bought a Facebook Marketplace for £40, bargain. Nescafe and Go machine. All you need is a plug to plug it in. You don't need any water mains, so that's amazing, that machine. When you buy the cups, that was £150 plus VAT. IKEA, this table was £17, and then the chairs, little coffee table, the chairs were 20 quid each off Facebook, so that was a bargain. Then a little doormat down there was about a £5 from the range. So effectively, I mean, including all this, I built this reception area from scratch. Probably cost near on 1,500 quid, because the price of wood is extortionately high. Wood, carpet, all the paint. Yeah, so for some reason the video cut off there. It didn't send the whole video. I missed about 2 minutes of it, so never mind. So I've currently finished servicing this one with the Audis, the newer ones. This is a 2016. You have to leave the car running for a couple of minutes, turn the ignition off, and then check the oil level, because it's electronic and it does it on the dash. A bit of a pain, but I do Audis a hell of a lot of times, so for me it's pretty easy. But yeah, so that's that one. Yeah, cars are stacking up in a minute, which is good. So I've got plenty more work to get on with. Got to finish servicing this one in a minute, and then yeah. So I'll see you in the next video. Next video, I'm going to do something a little bit different. I hope. Hopefully tomorrow I might do a little tutorial on something, or I can talk about maybe something business-wise or project that I'm doing, something like that. So drop some comments if you see this video. Join my journey and give me some ideas of what to do. I mean, I'm new to YouTube. I want to do it. I want to be consistent, so I need ideas of what people. I've got ideas of what to do, but I want to know what people will enjoy watching. So yeah, that'd be cracking if you can do that. Yeah, idea of my channel is to have loads of fun, teach you about business, hopefully help some people start their own, and whatnot. So yeah, plenty of content to come. Just getting it done, but yeah, we'll do it, and I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.